Hey guys, Rad Performance here. Okay, so you're going to show yourself how to change this bulb. This bulb should be a 7443. How you're going to want to do this removal is there's going to be these two. You're going to need a Torx T25 to remove the two Torx. And then you're going to need a pry tool of some sort. So that way you can then pop out these plastic pop-ins. One and then one in the center. So you pop out this guy in the top center portion, and then you remove the other portion of the clip. Those clips go on top. This one, you're gonna have to lift the tailgate in order to access. And same, that guy just pops out as well. And then from here, we just loosen and we should be good to go. And that does look indeed like a 7443. All right, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks. Okay, guys, so we just popped in that 7443 bulb, and then it is good to go. It was the tail light that was out, so easy fix. Alrighty, guys, see you in the next one.